We'll guide you through how to set up Todoist reminders so you never miss a task. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Todoist website. Log in with your credentials if you're not already signed in. Once you're on your main dashboard, navigate to the task for which you want to set a reminder. Hover over the task and click on the calendar icon that appears next to it. This will open up the scheduling options. Here, you'll see the option to set a due date and time. Make sure to check the box that says Add Reminder right below the date and time fields. You can then choose how you want to be reminded, whether it's via email or push notification. If you prefer a specific time before the task is due, you can set a custom reminder by clicking on Custom and selecting the exact time you want. If you want to set recurring reminders, such as daily or weekly, you can do that by clicking Repeat and selecting the frequency. Once you've set all your preferences, click Save to ensure your reminder is active. Now, every time that task is approaching its deadline, you'll receive a reminder according to your chosen settings. This is a great way to stay on top of your tasks without constantly checking your to-do list. Remember, staying organized is key to productivity, and reminders are a powerful tool to help achieve that. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.